Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. In the left corner, we have the Lefant M210, and in the right corner, the iRobot Roomba 694. It's a vacuum showdown, folks. So let's get ready to rumble. All right, let's start with the price. The Lefant M210 comes in at a cool $199. Not too shabby, right? But the Roomba 694? It's strutting in with a price tag of $274. That's like what, 75 bucks more? For that price difference, I better get a vacuum that can also cook me breakfast and tell me I'm pretty. Now let's talk about design. The Lefant M210 is like the compact sports car of vacuums. It's got an 11-inch diameter and stands just under 3 inches tall. Perfect for zipping under your furniture like a stealthy ninja. Meanwhile, the Roomba 694 is all about that sleek, premium look. Sure, it looks nice, but can it fit under your couch? Probably not without sucking up a few lost socks along the way. Next, cleaning performance. The Lefant M210 boasts a brushless suction port, which means it won't get tangled up in pet hair. If you've got fur babies, this one's for you. Plus, it's got 6 cleaning modes. 6! That's more options than a fast food menu. On the other hand, the Roomba 694 has an auto-adjust cleaning head that can tackle both carpets and hard floors. It's like the multitasker of vacuums. And with adaptive navigation and cliff detection, it's not going to take a nosedive down your stairs. But does it have 6 cleaning modes? Nope. It's more of a set it and forget it kind of deal. Now let's get techie. The Lefant M210 comes with smart app and voice control. You can schedule cleaning sessions, adjust suction power, and even control it with Alexa or Google Assistant. It's practically a member of the family at this point. The Roomba 694 also has app and voice control. You can schedule it to clean up daily dirt, dust, and debris. It's like having a butler that doesn't talk back. But here's the kicker. The Roomba automatically docks and recharges after 90 minutes. The Lefant, it can go up to 120 minutes on a single charge. So who's got the stamina now, huh? Both vacuums come with advanced sensors. The Lefant M210 has upgraded Free Move Technology 2.0 with anti-collision infrared sensors. It's like the James Bond of vacuums, dodging obstacles with ease. The Roomba 694, with its adaptive navigation and cliff detect, is no slouch either. It's like having a robot that's afraid of heights. But hey, at least it won't take a tumble down your stairs. Overall, reviewers appreciate the Lefant M210 for its affordability, ease of use, and effectiveness, especially for pet hair and hard floors. However, some users note it struggles with carpets and may get stuck occasionally. On the other hand, the iRobot Roomba 694 is praised for its cleaning efficiency on both carpets and hard floors, though it's noted to be noisy and may miss some spots. Reviewers find it a good value despite its higher price and occasional navigational hiccups. All right, time to wrap this up. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, compact, and pet hair-friendly vacuum with a ton of cleaning modes, the Lefant M210 is your new best friend. But if you're willing to shell out a bit more for a sleek design, adaptive navigation, and automatic recharging, then the Roomba 694 is your go-to. So what's it gonna be, smart shoppers? The nimble Lefant or the suave Roomba? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more smart buying tips. Until next time, keep it smart and keep it clean. Product links are in the description.